collaborators, UNICEF, World Food Program, the national government, and assistance from the Swedish government. I think our colleagues have said what has been achieved in those areas, and we really are very grateful for that assistance to Makueni County. One aspect that I could add is in the area of children rights. Currently, in our parliament, there are amendments to the law pertaining to children in our country. And some of those amendments will facilitate county level being involved in children's affairs. Currently, this is an area which is to a large extent a preserve of the national government, apart from county governments getting involved in ECDs. So this is a welcome move, and on behalf of the county governors, we embrace this development, and we ask our colleagues at Parliament, both National Assembly, I think now Senate, to favorably look at these changes so that before Parliament is dissolved, this law comes into fruition so that both counties and the national level can participate to improve the lives of children in our country. But otherwise, in all the areas that we are working together, we really are very grateful for the support to ensure that in terms of social inclusion, we do as best as we can to ensure protection of children and also financial inclusion.
Basically, to have a reflection of the joint collaboration that we've had together as partners, putting resources together in the interest of the people of Makueni. And this is mainly from a perspective of child and social protection. And during the discussions, we've taken note of what has been achieved, but also what the future offers to all of us. And we'll be going out to the field to meet a number of community members so that we can have a real feel of what the two levels of government has put together with the support of partners, and that is CEDA, UNICEF, and the World Food Program. So thank you very much. Been made and are beneficial to the people of Makueni. I'll put them into three. Making sure that we have an enabling environment through which the two levels of government can be able to design and implement social and child protection programs. And to make this a possibility, the government, with the support of the partners, has established the enhanced single registry, which on one hand aggregates beneficiaries' information of all social protection programs, but on the other hand, and is very vital for counties like Makueni, among others, put together data for all vulnerable households so that future expansion of social protection and child protection services is made easy and the turnaround time is shortened, but also to ensure that the response to emergencies such as drought or the example that we had recently of COVID pandemic is made easier by virtue of having data in a single platform. And also ensuring that we all remain accountable, we are transparent, and support and assistance is provided to the most deserving households or individuals. In Makueni, the county government has established a fund known as Tetheka, a very useful facility that will progressively improve the well-being of households and individuals, and especially those who are in the lowest quintiles of poverty. This is an area where partners such as SIDA, UNICEF, and WFP have a keen interest, and that's why, among other things, we've really provided technical assistance to improve on the governance of this fund. And we hope that in the future, it can even grow to be bigger than what it is today. Thank you.
And Makueni County is one of the counties that have benefited. And we're glad to say we have seen a lot of strides made in this county and in addressing the most vulnerable segments of population. So we wish that this can go out to other counties as well, and the pilots that are currently being run here can benefit all the vulnerable populations in this country. Thank you.
The Kenya Social and Economic Inclusion Project, which as a State Department for Social Protection, we are implementing together with the World Bank. And the non-single registry then is expected to provide a very important and critical platform for coordinating social protection. And this is one of the major instruments as a delivery for social protection. As has already been mentioned, the non-single registry will provide a register for both beneficiaries of social protection, that is those who are already receiving cash transfers under the government, but also include potential beneficiaries for social protection. Now, these ones will allow different actors in the social protection space to be able to roll out interventions, different types that are targeted to different populations across the country. And we see the non-single registry as very important for all communities in this country. We appreciate that under the county of Makueni, data collection has already taken place, which took place in the last financial year. We already have a registry then that can be able to guide a rollout of interventions for social protection in the county of Makueni. We've also undertaken data collection in 3 additional counties, the county of Vihiga, the county of Taita Taveta, and Kisumu County. And we hope to roll out data collection under the non-single registry for 15 additional counties during this current financial year, closing June. We are in the preparatory stages. We already have clear roadmaps for data collection in the 15 counties. Our hope is that by the end of 2023, December 2023, we shall be able to have a social registry under the non-single registry with up to 5.7 million households that are considered poor and vulnerable under the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics guidance. So we really hope that all stakeholders will come out to utilize the non-single registry to guide their different programs, be they social assistance programs or economic inclusion and resilience building activities within the different counties. And as already been mentioned, this would include shock responsive social protection, where we already have a listing of households together with the geolocations under the non-single registry to inform how they can target the different interventions. So thank you very much. We really look forward for the single registry being utilized by all of us in our different counties as different social protection actors for us to enhance livelihoods among poor and vulnerable populations. Thank you.
I want therefore to appreciate our collaborators,